Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the COMDLG32 ocx missing or invalid error in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are encountering the COMDLG32 ocx missing or invalid error in Windows 11, do not worry. This error typically occurs when a crucial system file is missing or corrupted. Fortunately, the most effective and direct solution involves running a system file checker scan, also known as an SFC scan. This tool is designed to find and replace damaged or missing system files, which is precisely what is needed to resolve this particular issue. To begin, open the Windows search bar, which you can find at the bottom of your screen. Type command prompt into the search field. In the search results, you will see command prompt listed. Make sure to click on Run as Administrator in the right-hand pane. This is important because the SFC scan requires elevated privileges to function correctly. Once the command prompt window opens with administrator privileges, you will need to type a specific command. Carefully type the following: SFC:/scan. After typing the command, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will initiate the SFC scan. The scan may take some time to complete, so please be patient. During the scan, Windows will check for any integrity violations in protected system files and attempt to repair them. Upon completion of the scan, your system should be able to access the COMDLG32 ocx file correctly, and the error should be resolved. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.